Bonjour, je suis Sumolwa, votre professeur de français. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, welcome and thank you so much for clicking today's video. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. I've got a fantastic video for you today. Picture this, it's your first morning in a beautiful Airbnb in Paris. You're jet lagged, you desperately need coffee, and your host left you a note in French. Le café est dans le placard au-dessus de l'évier. La cafetière est à côté du grille-pain. You stare at the notes. I mean, you know café means coffee, but placard, évier, grille-pain. You start opening every cabinet, checking every counter, growing more frustrated by the second. Finally, 15 minutes later, you find everything. But that simple task just made you feel like a complete beginner. This happened to one of my friends last summer, and when she told me about it, she said, Smulwa, I could order in a restaurant, I could ask for directions, but I couldn't find a toaster in my own kitchen because no one ever taught me household words. And she was absolutely right. Most French courses sometimes teach you how to talk about your feelings, your hobbies, the weather, but not everyday objects that you actually live with. And so in today's fantastic lesson, 50 essential French household vocabulary words that will make your life so much easier. Whether you're traveling to France, moving to Senegal, or just want to understand real practical French, this is vocabulary native speakers use every single day. I'll organize everything by room. So we're going to have the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, the living room. So it's easy for you to follow. And for each word, you get the pronunciation, you get the meaning, and a sample sentence. Let's start in the kitchen, and I promise you'll never struggle to find a toaster again. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Before we start, don't forget you can grab your free PDF of today's lesson in the link in the description box below. All you need to do is input your name and your email in that link in the description box below. You cannot miss it. It's literally titled, Get Your Free PDF Here. You have all 50 words organized by room so you can reference them anytime. Number 1, le réfrigérateur ou le frigo. Le réfrigérateur ou le frigo. And this just means a refrigerator or a fridge. J'ai mis le lait dans le frigo. 2. Le four. Le four. Please note it's not four. That's in English we say four, but this is le four. And this just means the oven. Le gâteau est dans le four. 3. La cuisinière. La cuisinière. And this just means stove or cooktop. But please note, I would also say, do I say this is a faux ami? But you can also call la cuisinière a female cook. So context is very, very important, okay? La cuisinière électrique est en panne. 4. Le micro-ondes. Le micro-ondes. And this just means a microwave. Je réchauffe mon repas dans le micro-ondes. 5. L'évier. L'évier. And this just means sink. Il y a de la vaisselle dans l'évier. Le lave-vaisselle. And this just means dishwasher. Mets les assiettes dans le lave-vaisselle. 7. La poêle. La poêle. And this just means frying pan. Fais chauffer un peu d'huile dans la poêle. The next one, la casserole. La casserole. And this just means a saucepan or a pot. Le bout dans la casserole. The next one, le grille-pain. Le grille-pain. And this just means a toaster. Le grille-pain est à côté de la cafetière. 10. La cuillère. La cuillère. And this just means the spoon. Passe-moi une cuillère, s'il te plaît. The next one, la fourchette. La fourchette. Once again, this is not fourchette. No, it's la fourchette. And this just means the fork. J'ai oublié de mettre les fourchettes sur la table. 12. L'assiette. L'assiette. And this just means the plate. Les assiettes sont dans le placard. 13. Le verre. Le verre. And this just means glass. Est-ce que tu veux un verre d'eau? The next one, la tasse. La tasse. And this just means the cup or mug. Je bois mon café dans cette tasse. 15. Le placard. Le placard. Please note that the D is silent. It's not placard. It's le placard. And this just means the cupboard. Le sucre est dans le placard à gauche. Great job with the kitchen vocabulary, okay? Now let's move on to the bathroom vocabulary. 16, la douche. La douche. And this just means shower. Je prends une douche tous les matins. 17, la baignoire. La baignoire. And this just means the bathtub. Les enfants adorent jouer dans la baignoire. 18, le lavabo. Le lavabo. And this just means the bathroom sink or a wash basin. Lave-toi les mains au lavabo. The next one, les toilettes ou les WC. Les toilettes ou les WC. And you must have guessed this just means the toilet or the WC. Les toilettes sont au fond du couloir. The next one, le miroir. Le miroir. And this just means the mirror. Je me regarde dans le miroir. If you would love to learn more about reflexive verbs, because you know I just said je me regarde dans le miroir, which is I am looking at myself, why don't you go ahead and click this link above where I teach you all about reflexive verbs in the present tense. It's extremely useful. 21. La serviette. La serviette. This just means a towel. J'ai besoin d'une serviette propre. 22. Le savon. Le savon. And this just means soap. Il n'y a plus de savon dans la salle de bain. The next one, le shampoing. Le shampoing. And I laugh now because I remember one of my students saying le shampooing. I'm like, no. It means shampoo, but even you would say shampooing, it's le shampoing. Okay? J'achète un shampoing pour cheveux secs. 24. La brosse à dents. La brosse à dents. And this just means the toothbrush. Je me brosse les dents avec ma brosse à dents tous les matins. 25. Le dentifrice. Le dentifrice. And this just means the toothpaste. Il faut acheter du dentifrice. Wow, you've made it to word 25. You're doing absolutely amazing. If you've gotten to this part of the video, I want you to type this in the comments. Mon français s'améliore chaque jour. That just means my French improves every day. And by learning these practical words, your French is definitely improving every day. And don't forget, if you haven't already, you can go ahead and grab your free PDF. All you need to do is input your name and email address in the link in the description box below. And today's entire lesson will be sent directly to your inbox. It has all 50 words organized by room with example sentences. Some of you might have jumped ahead in the video, so make sure you download it so you don't miss anything. All right, let's keep going. Excellent. Now it's time to learn bedroom vocabulary. 26. Le lit. Le lit. And this just means the bed. Ah, je suis fatiguée. Je vais au lit. 27. L'oreiller. 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 And this just means the pillow. Cet oreiller est très confortable. 28. La couette. La couette. And this just means the duvet. J'ai froid. Passe-moi la couette. 29. Le drap. Le drap. Please note the P is silent, so it's not le drap, it's le drap. And this just means the sheets. Je dois changer les draps ce week-end. 30. L'armoire. L'armoire. And this just means the wardrobe. Mes vêtements sont dans l'armoire. The next one, la table de nuit. La table de nuit. And this just means like, the nightstand or the bedside table. I did this because I was thinking of the lamp, which is next, but yeah. Mon téléphone est sur la table de nuit. The next one, la lampe. La lampe. And this just means the lamp. J'allume la lampe pour lire le soir. The next one, le réveil. Le réveil. And this just means the alarm clock. Je me réveille à 7 heures grâce à mon réveil. The next one, le tiroir. Le tiroir. And this just means the drawer. Mes chaussettes sont dans le tiroir. The next one, le cintre. Le cintre. And this just means the hanger. Accroche ta veste sur un cintre. Wonderful. Now let's move on to the living room vocabulary. Le canapé. Le canapé. And this just means the couch or the sofa. Assieds-toi sur le canapé. 37. Le fauteuil. Le fauteuil. And this just means the armchair. Mon père lit toujours dans son fauteuil. 38. La table basse. La table basse. And this just means the coffee table. J'ai posé le livre sur la table basse. The next one, le tapis. Le tapis. And this is just the carpet or the rug. J'adore ce tapis. Il est magnifique. The next one, la télévision ou la télé. La télévision ou la télé. And this just means the television or TV. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à la télé ce soir? The next one, la télécommande. La télécommande. And this just means the remote control. Où est la télécommande? 42. Le coussin. Le coussin. And this just means like the cushion or throw pillows. Ces coussins sont très décoratifs. The next one, le rideau. Le rideau. And this just means curtain or les rideaux, curtains. Ferme les rideaux, il y a trop de soleil. The next one, l'étagère. L'étagère. And this just means like the shelf or the bookshelf. Mes livres sont sur l'étagère. 45. Le lustre. Le lustre. And this just means the chandelier. Le lustre du salon éclaire toute la pièce. Almost done. Let's finish with some cleaning and laundry vocabulary. 46. L'aspirateur. L'aspirateur. And this just means the vacuum cleaner. Je passe l'aspirateur tous les samedis. 47. Le balai. Le balai. And this just means the broom. Prends le balai et balaie la cuisine. The next one, la serpillière. La serpillière. And this just means the mop. Le sol est sale, il faut passer la serpillière. The next one, la machine à laver. La machine à laver. And this just means the washing machine. Je mets le linge sale dans la machine à laver. The next one, le fer à repasser. Le fer à repasser. And that just means the iron. J'utilise le fer à repasser pour repasser ma chemise. Félicitations! You've just learned 50 essential household vocabulary words. This is incredibly practical vocabulary that you will use all the time in daily life. Let's quickly recap what we covered. 15 kitchen words from le frigo to le placard. 10 bathroom words from la douche to le dentifrice. 10 bedroom words from le lit to le centre. 10 living room words from le canapé to le lustre. And 5 cleaning and laundry words from l'aspirateur to le fer à repasser. Now you can confidently talk about household items in French, whether you're staying at an Airbnb, shopping for your new apartment, or even just having everyday conversations. Before I sign off, please do not forget you can download the free PDF of this complete lesson. All you need to do is click on the link in the description box below, input your name and email address, and this lesson will be sent directly to your inbox. You get all 50 words organized by room with example sentences. It's perfect for reviewing and practicing. And if you want to continue building your French vocabulary, I have another amazing video for you. Check out my video on the 150 plus advanced French clothing vocabulary, where I teach you everything about shoes, bags, trousers, tights, leggings, and so much more. I'll put that video right here for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which room vocabulary was most useful for you. Was it the kitchen? Was it the bedroom? Or maybe the bathroom? I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and keep up the excellent work with your French studies. Merci beaucoup, and until I see you in the next video, bonne journée.